Alright, the last video, solving logarithmic equations. Again, with logarithmic, two situations can happen, and I've shown both of them. I'm going to do number 24, but the equation can either equal a number, like in example 24, or it can equal a log. It should jump out at you in 25 that if there's logs on both sides, eventually I'm still going to have to condense the left side, but when I condense the left side, then there will be a log on both sides. If that's ever the case, you can cancel out the logs once the equation is equal or even with one log on both sides. For 24, there will not be that situation. You can't cancel out the logs. You're going to have to eventually rewrite it in exponential form to get rid of the log. The goal is to get rid of the log no matter what. Sometimes, like in 25, you can cancel them out. Sometimes you have to rewrite it in exponential form. But in this case, I still have to condense. So in order to condense the left side of my equation, I notice that it is subtraction. So because it's subtraction, I know that I will have 1 log base 9, and it's going to turn from subtraction into division. So I can write my division bar, and I'm going to put everything in parentheses. Now, this first log base 9 is holding this x minus 9. That's the first chunk. This log base 9 over here is holding the 3. So it's log base 9 of x minus 9. The first piece becomes my numerator, x minus 9. The second piece becomes my denominator, 3. And it all equals 1. If you get to this point and you condensed it correctly, that's awesome. Now you should see that this looks exactly like it is a logarithmic equation, but it doesn't equal the log, so I can't cancel them out. So my only next step is to rewrite it into exponential form. So the 9 is raised to the 1, and it equals x minus 9 over 3. Alright? And then this math at this point will look different for 25 and 26. Just depends on how you're able to rewrite it. But 9 to the 1 is indeed 9. And then in order to get x by itself, I have to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the denominator. 9 to the 1 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27 equals x minus 9, because those 3's go away. And one last step, plus 9 plus 9. So x equals 36. And I'm done. But again, I knew at this point I needed to rewrite it in exponential form because there was only one log on the left side and it didn't have a log on the right side of the equation. 25, you can cancel out logs. 26 is more like this one. But again, in order to condense, subtraction turns into, and addition turns into what?